Alright, what hey YouTubers, this is Bearcat William Scully, and guess what? We have great news. Here's a new heatsink for it. The package delivered. Not going to show you the address, so I'm not going to show the full, your address number and all that, but just for privacy reasons. But we did, Mommy, a snowball. So,
okay.
Alright, sorry, that's my mom. I put the CPU thing right here, just to make sure so the thermal paste won't get dried out, so,
we're leaving tomorrow at 4 to go pick up candles and cookies.
I know, Mommy. Sorry, that's my mom again. Just apologize for that, but here's the new heatsink. Just delivered to my house. Alright. This is what the hot air comes out. I clean out the fins. It didn't really need to do a deep clean, but it still has some dust around here, but might have to clean that out. But there it is. New heatsink delivered. I'm gonna put it into the safe spot, and that way. So, also, by the way, I cleaned this. I cleaned every. I mean, not the thermal paste, but I cleaned the contacts for the CPU, and that way. So, once we get the new logic motherboard, or what you call it, installed into the system, that way, so you don't have to worry about the no post issue. So, all right, so I'm going to show you this. This is the heat sink again. Got 4 screws for the mounting. All right, you can see all that thermal paste has been put on here from one of my leftover laptops that we use for parts, but of course, that's what the hot air comes out. I think that's the left side. The right side. I think that's the left side. I think the right side, we have that. This is how you put your CPU in, and it's you can tell that it's completely soldered, so it's pre-soldered once you got it, so you don't have to worry about soldering it yourself. You just put it on here, and then put it into the motherboard, and you're good to go. So, all right, we have an air duct. Actually, it looks pretty good. Probably have to finish cleaning it off. It's kind of get dusty once it first came in, so here it is. Now here's the back of it again. I cleaned that contacts. I cleaned out the CPU. The contacts. There's a little yellow chips, or what do you call it? Not the chips, the yellow things. Yeah, the contacts. I clean that off as well. So that way, by the time once we get the new motherboard, which is coming very soon, didn't be here for too long, but yeah, the new motherboard will be on its way. So glad we got a new heatsink. Just put this back. Get this straightened out here. Just take your time with all that thermal paste, but alright. Contacts have been cleaned and it's all ready to go, so alright. I'll put this right here. Oh, by the way, it's kind of bent up. I have no idea, but I think it was from shipping damage, by the way. It's kind of bent up, but it's not going to affect anything. But Anyways, that's our new heatsink for the Dell. Sorry, that's just my mom sneezing. Apologize for that. So anyways, that's our new heatsink for the Dell Inspiron 1 2320. More videos including the how to put the motherboard in, and then the heatsink will be in here very soon. Let me show you that computer real quick before we end this video. That's it right here. And yep, that's it, guys. Let me turn on the video light so you can see this. That's your computer. As you can see, I took the old board out. You can tell by all the wiring has been exposed. But sorry guys, it's just your oven beeping, so excuse that. So you can see the wiring for the fan and your all the good stuff. You know, we have your brightness up and down, volume up and down, your, you know, all of your jacks, you know. You can see, you know. Alright, well, I put the rest of the parts in here, you know, and that was about a ton once we get the new logic motherboard, which is taken out. So full video of how to install the motherboard on this Dell will be here coming soon. This will definitely gonna do a full rebuild on this Dell. So coming soon for the motherboard will be arrived very soon. So stay tuned for that. So alright, y'all, that's our full view of this Dell. I mean, not a full review, the heatsink review of this Dell Inspiron 1 2320. Yep, 2320 right here. Can't see it, but here's the information. Get the close up so you can see. Here's the information for it right here. And yes, that will do it. And that will do it. So, full video of me rebuilding this computer will be here once again, coming soon to this channel. So, alright, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the heatsink review of this Inspiron 1 2320 by Dell. If you guys learned something new from it, please like, share, and subscribe if this video helped you out. And yeah, once again, as always, work hard and save money.